Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Let's be real. We've all seen those screenshots online. $37,483 this week. $103,000 this month. And you're sitting there thinking, they must be lying, or worse, they've got some secret I'll never get. But here's the thing. Most millionaires didn't invent the wheel. They didn't create the iPhone. They just reverse engineered what worked. They studied someone else's blueprint, copied it with their twist, and scaled it. And if they can do it, so can you. So today, I'm about to take you behind the curtain. You're going to see exactly how one guy, yes, just a normal guy with a laptop and some Wi-Fi, went from broke to banking over $100,000 per month, selling digital templates. No office, no inventory, no investor meetings. Just pixels, hustle, and strategy. And I'll break it down step by step so you can steal the blueprint. Not just admire the story, but actually copy it and apply it to your life. Now, this guy's name is Caleb. He's not a tech genius, not a coding wizard, and definitely not an influencer. He was just a frustrated graphic designer who noticed that every client he worked with wanted the same stuff. Instagram post templates, Canva banner templates, digital planners, pitch decks. It hit him. Instead of designing one by one for every client, why not just create a clean, ready-to-use template, put it online, and sell it again and again? One design. Infinite sales. So he started with 0 followers, 0 marketing budget, and a free Canva account. He spent 3 days building a Boss Babe Instagram template pack. You know the kind, pink vibes, motivational quotes, call to action boxes, aesthetically pleasing layouts. Then he posted it for sale on Etsy for $15. He made 2 sales the first day. That's $30. Nothing crazy. But on day 2, he made 5 more. Then 10. Then someone on TikTok posted a video using it. Boom, sales exploded. But here's where it gets strategic. He didn't stop at 1. He made 15 different packs, all targeting different niches: real estate agents, fitness coaches, small businesses, wedding photographers. Each one priced between $10 and $50. And since digital templates have no inventory, every single download was 100% profit after Etsy's small fee. Within 6 months, he was making $12,000 per month. Within a year, $100,000 per month. All because he understood the 3 most important things: niche targeting, perceived value, and scalability. Now let me break this down in a way you can copy. First, the niche. Caleb didn't create a general template for everyone. That's the kiss of death. He focused on micro niches. Not coaches, but fitness coaches who post on Instagram 5 times a week. Not businesses, but real estate agents who want to look premium online. That level of targeting made his listings show up exactly where people were already searching. He used specific keywords. Editable Instagram real estate template Canva. Boom, SEO magic. Second, perceived value. He didn't just sell files. He sold results. His listings didn't say 50 Canva templates. They said, grow your brand, impress clients, and save 10 hours a week with this designer-made template pack. People don't buy templates. They buy time, confidence, and better branding. And he made sure the thumbnails, descriptions, and mock-ups screamed quality. He'd even throw in bonuses like free story highlight covers to increase the value. And third, scalability. This is where most people mess up. They keep trading time for money. But Caleb? He built once, sold forever. He automated delivery with Etsy's digital system. He scheduled posts with previews. He batch-produced templates using Canva Pro. No customer service headaches. No shipping, no returns. Just passive downloads while he slept. Every month, he added 1 or 2 more template packs. Eventually, he had 80+ listings. And that's when things got really insane. But wait, it gets better. He didn't stop at Etsy. Once he had proof of sales, he launched his own Gumroad store to avoid platform fees. He built an email list with a free sample, lead magnet and started retargeting past buyers with discounts and upsells. Suddenly, $100,000 per month wasn't just luck, it was systemized, replicable, scalable. So let's flip the camera around now. What's stopping you from doing the same? Do you need to be a designer? No. Canva makes it drag and drop. Do you need followers? Nah. Etsy and Pinterest bring traffic. Do you need a business degree? Please. You just need to know what people are already searching for and give it to them in a prettier, faster, easier way. And digital templates aren't just for Instagram. Think planners, meal prep guides, CV, resume templates, YouTube banners, wedding invitation kits, Notion dashboards, budgeting spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, invoice templates, media kits. The list goes on and on. The key is not to reinvent something brand new, but to take what's working and make it better, cleaner, more targeted. I know a 19-year-old girl from the Philippines who makes $3,000 per month selling wedding planner PDFs. A single mom in Toronto making $7,000 per month from homeschool scheduling templates. A 22-year-old gamer in Germany who sells Twitch overlay packs and earns more than streamers. It's not a dream. It's just digital leverage. You want to be rich? Don't start from scratch. Reverse engineer. Ask, what's already selling? What are people complaining about in the reviews? What's missing? Then make it better. If you treat this like a real business, with real branding, real systems, and real strategy, you'll be shocked how fast it grows. Look, most people won't even try. They'll hear this and scroll past. They'll say, yeah, but I'm not creative, or it's too saturated, and that's why they stay broke. But the ones who make a move, take the leap, launch the shop, they're the ones who get to wake up to $587 overnight while brushing their teeth. You want the blueprint? Here it is. Find a niche. Study what they need. Build a template that saves them time and makes them look good. Put it on Etsy, Gumroad, and Pinterest. Make it clean, make it clear, and keep showing up. Add more products every month. Collect emails. Run tiny promos. Rinse. Repeat. Millionaires are not magical creatures. They're just better at spotting patterns. Reverse engineer the pattern, copy it with your own flavor, and stay consistent. That's how you flip a side hustle into serious cash. That's how you stop chasing and start cashing in. So what are you waiting for? Open that Canva tab. Sketch that template. List it. And remember, done is better than perfect. The first one might suck. The second will be better. By the 10th, you'll be unstoppable. You're not just learning about someone else's success story today. You're building your own. I'm Fahaam, and this is your personal invitation to financial freedom through real, actionable steps. No fluff. Just facts and formulas that work. Now go build that digital empire, and don't forget to thank me when you hit your first $10,000 month.